I want to talk to you about VAS conference calling service and is it really worth it or what? Let's talk about that. So let me give you the about of this service. So what is VAS conference? Is it really the best tool? We think that VAS conference is great for international conferencing. So think about a tool that specializes in web and video conference calls, and it really shows in the quality of their calls and feature-rich plans. And their scalable plans include all standard features such as unlimited meetings, cloud recording, screen sharing, and custom greetings, among others. So in terms of versatility, you will really love VAS Conference. And what happens here is that with VAS Conference, you can host teleconferences with up to 1,000 participants on your dedicated conference call number, and you can host or attend meetings from your phone or access meetings via VAS Conference's mobile app or any desktop web browser using a dedicated meeting link. And that's really cool. So hosts can use the conference call interface to see who's speaking, who joined and who left the meeting, and to conduct question and answer sessions within a teleconference. So that's really good in terms of scalability. Call recording and caller muting are also available, as are built-in tracking and reports that help you monitor key event parameters such as meeting length. And video conferencing is also available with every VAS conference plan. Host video events and share screens in real time, chat and share files. Pass presenter rights onto web meeting attendees and record your events. And this is kind of cool. And a feature that sets VAS conference apart is the company's global network, which really provides audio and video conference calling services in over 70 countries. Local in-country numbers are available in many of those locales, ensuring most international callers have a low-cost option for attending your teleconferences. You can also provide a toll-free number for your international guests, and VAS Conference posts an extensive list of toll-free access rates on its website that range from 5 cents to 44 to 50 cents per minute. So that's really good in terms of help there. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Now let's talk about who should really use it. Well, VAS Conference's international audio and web conferencing features make it an ideal service for organizations that host conferences that attract an international crowd, in our view. So we also love the fact that the tool offers an affordable conferencing software for small business owners. And so you have audio recording, screen sharing, international coverage, and operated assisted calls. So with VAS Conference, you also can set up a customized greeting. So what about the pricing here? I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for VAS Conference as of the date of this show. You have the essentials, you have the standard, you have the professional, and then you have the pay-as-you-go if you have up to 500 participants. So that's really, it can get a little expensive if you are having the pay-as-you-go sort of feature. I want to quickly give you the assessment you need to really keep in mind as you think about VAS Conference. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros first. You have easy setup. You have a tool that supports conferencing in more than 70 countries. You have a monthly and annual billing available. No software installation required. And the fact that we also love the fact that it offers both instant calls and operator-assisted conference calls, ensuring that as a user, you have the option to schedule calls and receive help from operators before, during, and after your conference call. Compared to competitors Zoom and GoToMeeting, VAS Conference stands out as the more affordable options. What about the cons? You have limited meeting collaboration features, so if you are interested in that, you are not going to be happy with VAS Conference. The lowest tier plan only offers 1 gigabyte of cloud storage for recordings. You have international toll-free access rates that can be pricey at times, and you have limited software integrations. So we don't like the fact that VAS Conference's plans are missing common collaboration tools found in its competitors' plans, including whiteboarding, breakout rooms, and drawing tools. Lastly, the company lacks powerful integration capabilities and only integrating with applications with, like Microsoft Outlook, and Google Calendar. So this is a bummer. Let me give you a comparative analysis of VAS Conference. So let's first talk about VAS Conference versus GoToMeeting. So compared to a GoToMeeting, VAS Conference's plans are missing significant collaboration tools expected from a top-tier conferencing system, such as whiteboarding and note-taking. Think about it. However, VAS Conference is ideal in our view for businesses that only need standard conferencing features while on a small budget. Okay, so that's kind of important. And so basically, when you think about the features on VAS Conference, you have unlimited meetings. You have the same thing for GoToMeeting. You have web and video conferencing, same thing for both VAS Conference and GoToMeeting. And there are no time limits, same thing for VAS Conference and GoToMeeting. And whiteboarding is not available with VAS Conference. It is available on GoToMeeting. Personal links are available on both platforms. Breakout rooms are not available in either. And you have screen and file sharing also available in both with both services. Let's talk about VAS Conference versus Zoom. So both Zoom and VAS Conference are kind of similar in feature range, offering everything from unlimited meetings to screen sharing and call management controls. They do, however, differ when you compare their collaboration tools, with Zoom providing features like a breakout rooms, scheduler, and presence detection, all of which are missing in our view from VAS Conference's plans. And maybe they would have fixed it 1 year from now. Who knows? So let's talk about the features. Comparison here. So you have unlimited meetings available for both. No time limits. Not available in Zoom. You have web and video conferencing available in both. You don't have a breakout rooms. You don't have a whiteboarding, but those features are available in Zoom. And you have mobile app recording, screen and file sharing. Those features, those capabilities are available in both platforms. So overall, if you were to go with Zoom versus VAS Conference, you just have to think about things like breakout rooms and whiteboarding. And if you really care about that, then yes, you will definitely appreciate those capabilities within the Zoom. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about VAS Conference. Is this platform really worth it or what? Let's talk about VAS Conference versus a free conference call. So the key difference between VAS Conference and free conference call is actually their payment options. While free conference call is a completely free platform, VAS Conference offers multiple paid options to help growing businesses. And both companies offer similar features, including web and video conferencing, chat, and file transfer. By the way, I need to specify the fact that basically free conference call has add-ons. If you want to really enhance your conferencing strategy, you have to pay for those add-ons. Okay, so let's talk about a quick feature overview for VAS Conference versus freeconferencecall.com. So you have unlimited meetings, web and video conferencing, you have a screen and file sharing, you have business messaging. All those are available within within both VAS Conference and free conference call. And but you have a breakout. You do not have breakout rooms in VAS Conference, but you do in free conference call. And you actually have personal links in VAS Conference, but you don't have those in a free conference call. And it's possible to have a studio presentation in free conference call, but you don't have it in VAS Conference. Let's talk about the VAS Conference Essentials versus Zoom Pro versus GoToMeeting Professional. And so the three entry-level plans are really kind of best suited in our view for small teams and have a similar feature range. And all plans include standard features like video and audio conferencing. You have dial pad controls and screen and file sharing. And VAS Conference's Essentials plan and Zoom's Pro plan are kind of similarly priced, starting at around 14 to 20 bucks per user per month. And it really features the similar tools found in both GoToMeeting and Zoom's plans, despite only providing space for 10 participants per meeting. So that's kind of important to really think about it that way. And users enjoy everything from online account management and hold music to past presenter and call control. And so while Vast Conference does provide does provide all you need to manage a basic conferencing system, Zoom's Pro and Code 2 meetings professional plans offer better value for money because of their more advanced features such as meeting IDs, personal rooms, breakout rooms, and drawing tools. Let's talk about Vast Conference Essentials versus Zoom Pro versus Go to Meeting Professional. And well, the thing is that we want to really have a clear idea about what really matters. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Vast Conference, and we're trying to really see if this tool is really worth it. One thing I want to say here is that when we talk about Zoom, you have to really understand that Zoom lists their enterprise plan at $19.99 per user per month. Both GoToMeeting and Vast Conference are quote based. So you're going to have to contact the company and ask all kinds of questions to see exactly what they're offering. And all three platforms offer all the features you would expect from a top tier conferencing system, including a dedicated account manager, single on, and international dialing. And Zoom's enterprise plan is similar in features when compared to a GoToMeeting, with both offering excellent collaboration tools. However, and this is a big however, GoToMeeting outshines as the plan with the best integration and security features. So if you care about integration and security features, you will love what GoToMeeting is really offering here. In addition, the enterprise plan is able to host 3,000 participants and includes rare tools like cloud recording, transcription, note-taking, and voice commands with Siri, okay? And despite not offering the most advanced features, Vast Conference Enterprise holds its own by including tools like monthly invoicing. You have detailed reporting and integrations with Microsoft Office 365 and Google Calendar. So long story short, you have to really think about what your needs are and what your team's needs are to have a clear idea about what you should go for. So when we talk about a comparative analysis of Vast Conference Enterprise versus Zoom Enterprise versus GoToMeeting Enterprise, first of all, the pricing is quote only for GoToMeeting and Vast Conference. For Zoom is $20. The meeting duration is unlimited for both Vast Conference and GoToMeeting, but it is 24 hours for Zoom. The number of participants is unlimited for all those three players. The number of meetings is unlimited. The number of participants is up to 500 for Zoom and both Zoom and Vast Conference. For GoToMeeting, it is 3,000. And scheduling is not available in Vast Conference. It is available with Zoom and GoToMeeting. And there is a free trial for Vast Conference and the GoToMeeting. There is no free trial for Zoom. So it's something you need to really pay attention to. When we think about Vast Conference, what kinds of features should you be really thinking about, and how can those features actually help your business be more efficient, your business engage more with your customers, with your key stakeholders, and so on and so forth. And so you have web audio. So this is an important element because you are able to integrate web with audio, and that can help you across several channels, including audio marketing, including audio advertising. Okay, you have a HD video conferencing, so you have the ability to actually streamline all your operations in one centralized platform, and especially in one centralized video conferencing platform that's really as robust as Vast Conference. So we love that a lot in terms of streamlining different conduits that actually can all propel up your company's marketing. You have screen sharing. So screen sharing is another feature that we love a lot within Vast Conference. You also have unlimited cloud recording. This is another element that we love a lot in terms of capability and scalability. You also have web call manager. Now, the web call manager is kind of cool because It allows you to optimize your analytics at a very granular level. So by knowing, for instance, calls there like the quality of the calls, the audio quality, the video quality, the drop rate, the participation rate, and all that kind of stuff. You also have a dial pad controls. This is another feature we love a lot within this tool. You also have online account management. So you are able to track everything online. No need to go to an office to really have an idea what's happening. You can track everything remotely. So that's really cool. You also have hold music library. So you can really, and that's part of your sonic marketing. You can really sort of brand a lot better. You also have messaging and file transfer. And in the end, you have detailed reporting. I want to insist on detailed reporting because it really adds an extra layer of granularity to your operations, and also helps you really solidify your branding through teleconferencing, through video conferencing, through audio conferencing, and that's kind of important, especially if you are in a very competitive industry that demands sort of personalization. I want to talk to you about the extras. So when you think about the vast conference, what should you be thinking about? Well, first of all, you have a company that was founded in 2008. So they've been around for a while now, and they are based in California. So it's one of those things where we love the fact that they are constantly sort of expanding. And so Vast Conference is kind of cool in terms of scalability. So it doesn't matter whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, you will love the features and capabilities that Vast Conference brings to the market. And we love that aspect of things a lot. Granted, they're not a biggie in this space, but they're kicking ass like crazy. They're coming up strong. So the big question is it worth it? Is Vast Conference worth it? Yes. Our answer is yes. Vast Conference is definitely worth it. And depending upon what you want, if you want to have, for instance, if you're looking for a conference call service that has a free trial, give them a try. I mean, they actually will give you a 14 to 30-day free trial, so you can test out the service and see if you like it. If you don't like it, then that's fine. There are no commitments whatsoever. So that's really an important element to pay attention to. Now, should you go with the Vast Conference? I would say the enterprise plan or the pro plan. I mean, it really depends. It depends on your needs. It depends also on your video conference needs actually, and also your operations. If you're a small business, or if you need to talk to, let's say, investors, if you need to talk to key stakeholders, then you have a clear idea about stuff that you need to really do, and that's what we want to pay attention to in terms of giving you the tools. And that's what Vast Conference does in terms of giving you the tools and capabilities you need to actually solidify your stakeholder engagement. And when we talk about your stakeholder engagement, we are talking about your customers, your suppliers, your regulators in your industry, your service providers, and so on and so forth. Your vendors also. So that's really important. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's do a quick recap of today's conversation. So, I was just talking to you about a Vast Conference review, and I give you the about, the pricing, the assessment, the comparative analysis, the extras, and now the recap. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.